Part 4, Guess That Misfire. Today we're going to perform a smoke test and check for vacuum leaks. We first start by inserting our smoke tester fluid into the smoke machine, unclipping our beautiful diamond carbon fiber intake, and pulling the map off with it. We then hook up our suction cone and stick it in the intake elbow. At first, things started to be going well. It was spitting out smoke, and I didn't see any leaks. But as the system started to be pressurized, the cone started to come off. I tried to hold it on there, but I ultimately figured I wasn't going to be able to look for leaks if I was too busy holding that on. So on to plan B. Ripped glove time. We whip out the old reliable glove. I still have to hold the glove on there, but it's a lot easier to keep on the map. But after a few minutes, still no leaks, so I'm gonna declare that a bust. Check in later today for the final part of this short series and the resolution of our misfire.